Self-science education. The question is enumerate ideas for developing emotional intelligence. History of emotional intelligence. In 1995, Daniel Goleman popularized the term with the book Emotional Intelligence, Why It Can Matter More Than IQ. Meaning of emotional intelligence. Emotional intelligence, otherwise known as emotional quotient or EQ, is the ability to understand, use, and manage your own emotions in positive ways to release stress, communicate effectively, empathize with others, overcome challenges, and diffuse conflict. IQ plus EQ is equal to success. What exactly is EQ? Emotional intelligence or emotional quotient is simply defined as knowing what feels good, what feels bad, and how to get from bad to good. Knowing your emotions and knowing emotion of others. It refers to the emotional management skills which provide competency to balance emotions and reason so as to maximize long-term happiness. Emotional intelligence defined. Peter Salovey and John Mayer coined the term emotional intelligence in the year 1990. Their definition is the ability to perceive emotion, to access and generate emotion so as to assist thought, to understand emotion and emotional meanings, to reflectively regulate emotions in ways that promote emotional and intellectual growth. The emotionally intelligent person knows that love is a skill, not a feeling, and will require trust, vulnerability, generosity, humor, sexual understanding, and selective resignation, said by Alain D. Botton. Components of emotional intelligence: self awareness, self management, energizers, social awareness, relationship management. Importance of emotional intelligence. It allows you to have awareness and control over what you do. Results in lower level of stress which is associated with better health and stronger immune system. Enables more satisfying friendship and lasting intimate relationship. You can soothe yourself and are therefore able to calmly focus, concentrate and think when faced with a challenging situation. Makes you more resilient. Change and stress are easier to deal with. Ideas for developing emotional intelligence. Reflect on your emotions. It means that one must be self aware because when the person is aware of their emotion, they will know to control their emotion. Ask for perspective. What we see may not always to be true. Hence, it is very important to take feedback from others about our emotional behavior in our workplace. Observe. When a person is equipped with the good self-awareness, they must be able to observe their own emotions. Pause for a moment. It is very important to cultivate the habit of thinking twice before saying or doing anything. This could help well to manage our emotions in the workplace. Become more empathetic by understanding the why. It is very important that one must understand the other person's emotion and try to look at the why question behind their emotional behavior. Choose to learn from criticism. Isn't it obvious that none of us would like to be criticized? But sometimes we miss out on the constructive criticism because of our ego. When we take the criticism in the right way, then that would help us to grow and become a better employee and a better human. Practice, practice, practice. As the saying goes, practice makes a person perfect. To know the importance of emotional intelligence, one must practice. This is possible when we try to have control over our emotions in every situation by being patient. Be motivated. Emotionally intelligent people are self motivated and their attitude motivates others. They set goals and are resilient in the face of challenges. Practice ways to maintain a positive attitude. Don't underestimate the power of your attitude. A negative attitude easily infects others if a person allows it to. Emotionally intelligent people have an awareness of the moods of those around them and guard their attitude accordingly. They know what they need to do in order to have a good day and an optimistic outlook. This could include having a great breakfast or lunch, engaging in prayer or meditation during the day, or keeping positive quotes at their desk or computer. Be approachable and sociable. Emotionally intelligent people come off as approachable. They smile and give off a positive presence. They utilize appropriate social skill based on their relationship with whomever they are around. They have great interpersonal skills and know how to communicate clearly, whether the communication is verbal or nonverbal. Other ways to improve our emotional intelligence: to have an effective resolution, to stay positive, to be mindful on nonverbal communication, reduce stress, to stay connected on your emotions. Conclusion: many of these skills may seem to be best suited for those who understand basic human psychology, while high EQ skills may come more easily to naturally empathetic people. Anyone can develop them. Less empathetic people just have to practice being more self aware and conscious of how they interact with others. By utilizing these steps, you will be well on your way to an increase in your emotional intelligence level. Thank you.